Alright nerds, so let's talk about magnetic separation. Our goal here is to understand the physical properties that allow magnetic separation to occur. This is our vocab, so if you want to pause the video here, write this down so you've got to refer back to. So magnetic separation is a really efficient way of separating dry ferromagnetic and ferromagnetic mixtures. So move those substances out. It's really useful in the mining industry. That's where we'll see it the most, but also in the garbage sorting industry and all over the place. It's a very common process. And the way it works is you'll have a set of magnets. Basically, in this case, we've got it on a conveyor belt, and it tends to work with allowing the mixture to fall off of a substance, off of a conveyor belt, while the magnets hold the ferromagnetic or the ferrimagnetic substances just that little bit closer, so they hold it, and you'll end up with two separate piles, and often there'll be a divider in between. And here we see three different ways that it happens. So we have iron particles. What we're talking about is our ferrimagnetic processes, or ferromagnetic particles. And we'll see, here's the drum just up here that we were talking about earlier, and down here we've got a different type of drum that allows the iron parts to just hold on a bit earlier, a bit later, sorry, and they move on the other side of the divider. And then there's my favorite, which is the inlet source, where you pump all your material down this path, and as it goes down, all the magnetic stuff, the ferromagnetic stuff, sticks to these magnets which are on the side, these electromagnets, and then those magnets are turned off. And when they're turned off, all the magnetic stuff falls down separate. And that's pretty cool. So I hope that made a lot of sense. And if it didn't, if you have any questions, put them in the comments and we'll get to you as quick as we can. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe so you can keep up with everything we're putting out there. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye now.